The Honeywell True HEPA Tower Air Purifier with Allergen Remover is perfect for use in rooms up to 170 square feet. The HEPA filtration of this unit helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The pre-filter is the first level of filtration and helps capture larger particles such as dust, lint fibers, and pet fur, and helps to reduce odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel featuring 3 air cleaning levels to choose from with a turbo setting, automatic off 2, 4, and 8-hour timers, and filter change indicator lights with reset buttons. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 170 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.